Hi everyone, this is Amy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Gamjatang. To start this dish, we need 3 pounds of pork neck ribs, which you can find in your Asian grocery store. It's really cheap and really quite delicious. We're going to put all these bones into a bowl and cover with enough water to submerge this completely. We want to soak these for an hour to pull out any debris, extra blood. It'll make a big difference. Give those a good rinse before putting them in a large stock pot and covering with enough water to submerge our bones completely. We're going to parboil these. Bring this up to a boil. Let these boil for 5 minutes before pulling out the bones again and dumping out the water and rinsing the pot. So I don't have a strainer large enough. Maybe I should invest in that. But we're going to go ahead and give these a really good scrub underwater, removing any scum or debris that may be stuck on our pork neck bones and putting them back into our clean pot, along with 2 bay leaves, 1 small onion quartered, and a 3-inch piece of ginger sliced, along with 6 cups of water. We're going to bring this up to a boil, skimming off any extra scum that rises to the top, lower it to a simmer, cover this up, and let this simmer away for 1 hour. While that's simmering, we can work on the rest of our vegetables. We need 1 large carrot, cut it into 2-inch chunks. I'm cutting mine this way because I like the way it looks. I also have a leek scallion, which I got at the Asian grocery store. Just use scallions if you can't find this. I'm going to give this a really good rinse because dirt likes to live in the middle of the layers in leeks. Next up, 4 potatoes just quartered and put back into water so they don't brown. For our seasoning paste, we need 4 cloves of garlic, giving these a really nice little mince. I couldn't find perilla powder, so I'm using perilla seeds, 1/4 cup, and I'm going to grind them myself. This is a specialty ingredient. If you can't find them, just leave this out. Put that in the bowl with garlic along with 1/4 cup of doenjang, which is a fermented bean paste, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, Korean chili paste, tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, just a couple more ingredients now, 2 tablespoons of mirin, which is sweet wine, and a tablespoon of plum sauce. If you can't find that, just use maple syrup or honey. But I like plum sauce because it's Korean and delicious. And give that a really good mix until we get a nice seasoning paste. And we're going to set this aside until we are ready to use it. Just make sure all the ingredients are really incorporated together. Well, it doesn't really matter, it's going into broth. Now it's been an hour. We can pull off our lid and add in the rest of our vegetables. In go the potatoes, carrots, and our onions. Make sure everything's submerged as much as possible. Cover this up again. Let that simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the lid comes off again. In goes our seasoning paste. Scrape all that goodness in there. Stir this around. Cover up once again. And we're going to cook these until we can poke our potatoes with a fork. And it goes in cleanly or chopstick in my case. And this is ready to serve. Seasoning with a little perilla leaf sliced up. Some more scallion. And some slices of chili pepper, all optional. Also serve with rice, highly recommend. And this is looking fantastic. Now let's go and give this a taste, which I've already started doing. The meat itself is savory, it falls off the bone. Potatoes are perfectly cooked through. The broth itself picks up all that gorgeous, beautiful seasoning, gochujang, gochugaru, doenjang. Can't speak today, sorry. But my favorite way of eating this is with a scoop of rice, because it can pick up all that broth. And this is absolutely delicious. But there it is, Gamjatang. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.